All right, welcome back. Welcome back. Math is easy, step by step. This is part 19, the second pause and practice problem when we're finding the product using scientific notation. So let's just jump right on into it. We got coefficient of 5.2 times the power of 10 to the negative, base 10 to the power of negative 5 exponential power times 3.1 times 10 to the negative 5. What's the first step you're going to take? What's the second step you're going to take in solving this problem? Alrighty. Step one is to multiply these two coefficients. 5.2 times 3.1. So let's just jump right into it. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 is 5. Before I can start multiplying with this next digit, I have to put a placeholder of 0. And now I can multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. Now I'm going to add these values together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 5 plus 6 is 11. I put the 1. I carry the 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now, remember, I have two digits to the right of the decimal, so in my answer, I have to show in this product the value, invisible decimal, and then I move it 2 times to the left. I have a new value or coefficient of 16.12. So, what is step 2 in solving and finding the product when you are multiplying with scientific notation? All right, welcome back. Step 2 is to multiply with exponents. So the base is the same, 10, it stays the same in your answer. The rule is you add the exponents. Negative 5 plus a negative 5 is negative 10. Look at it this way. Hey, you let someone borrow $5, so you're negative 5 in the hole. Plus, you did it again with somebody else. You loaned them another $5. So how much are you in the hole? Negative 10. How much do they owe you? Total, negative 10. If you're not familiar with adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers, please check out my videos on integers. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing. It's a rule you have to master in mathematics if you don't want to get too frustrated. Once you master those skills, math does become dramatically easy. Let's put these together and let's find out what our final answer is. So I'm putting together these two values. We have 16.12 or 16 and 12 thousandths. This is our coefficient. We have our base 10 to the negative 10 power. Hey, let's put these two together and we have our final answer, right? Okay, well, if you know by now, if you've been following my from part 1 all the way through part 18 videos, then you know by now the rule is the coefficient in scientific notation must be a number between 1.0 and 9.9. So this is not your final answer. Don't get tricked on an exam, right? So I need to move this decimal so it shows a value of 1.0 or between 1.0 and 9.9. So I move that one place to the left. That would give me 1.612, which fits that rule and criteria. So let's take a look. What does that look like? Well, you move it one place to the left. As you see here, we get that value, 1.612. But when you move in scientific notation, when you move that value to the left, you can add 1 exponential power. You must add 1 exponential power to that negative 10. So what's a negative 10 plus 1? Well, look at it this way. You owe somebody $10. You give them $1 back. How much do you still owe them? Our final answer we have here is 1.612 times 10 to the negative 9. You still owe them $9. That's what the negative 9 represents. 1.612 times 10 to the negative 9 is our product. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Stick around. I'm going to go over what quotient is, examples of quotient, the rules for quotients, and some pause and practice problems for quotient. And my starting with part 20 video. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. Hey, if these videos have helped you, please help me help others. Like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time.